have much time for walk today. My lunchtime is almost done. But it's a beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Oh, Shireen, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's going on with your account. I'm not so sure. I'm doing my lunch hour walk. Lunch hour. It's not as cold. Whew. Enjoy the greenery, guys. Enjoy the greenery. Too much on my face. Enjoy the greenery. And it's not artificial, it's real. It's real grass. It's real grass. Not artificial. Beautiful, beautiful plants. Beautiful, beautiful. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful greenery. Enjoy, guys. Oh, what a beautiful view of the river. I'll soon show you. Look at the beautiful view of the river. The river, the river, the river, the river. See it? See it? The river, the river. See it, guys? Shireen. Oh! What did happen? Good day, Shireen. What happened? Why you couldn't type just now? Welcome in, guys. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for watching my live. Thank you for liking my live. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Yeah. Beautiful. What happened, Shireen? Why you couldn't type? Beautiful river. They should be having something on the river this evening. That's what they say. Let's turn my eyes on the grasp again. The grass. The greenery, the greenery. Whew. But the river is beautiful. It's so nice. Let the buggy pass. You take a picture of the river. Look at the river. Woo, look at the river, guys. Yeah. Beautiful river. Beautiful scenery. Yeah. Very, 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 very beautiful. They should be having something by the river this evening. Or today. What time is it? So 1 o'clock? Soon. Yeah, but the river is beautiful. Beautiful river. Thank you guys for liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting. We smell food. They have one canteen over here, so no further food place there. Smell food. Oh, so one boat there. Jesus. One boat up on the river, guys. One boat a sail away. Unfortunately, I'm sure the boat because it's gone so quickly. It went by so quickly. I'll show you again. The river there. Oh, see, I'm right at the river now. You can go down there. We can go down there, guys, but me not have enough time to just go down there. But I forgot to take me a little time for walk, go down the hill, go upon the grass. Jesus, let me see if I can do it. How much minutes me have? I have 14 minutes left. Let me see if I can, how far I can go, guys. Might not have on any heels. My shoes is comfortable, so let's see what I can do. Jesus, I saw the hill far. No, stop. I can't go down there, so. In them little bit of time here. Too little bit of time. We need more time to go down there. Jesus. We need more time to go on the river. On the river. And it's cooler. The closer you get, the cooler it gets. Let me go some more. Let me go. Yeah, go some more, guys. We have 13 more minutes. Let's see. It's a beautiful day. It's very blue. Yes. Very, very, very blue. I'm going to carry on a little bit nearer today to the river. Gotta relax my head. Guys, today is my mom's birthday. Wish her happy birthday. April 23rd. Woo! I don't say food I cook. Like I don't say food I cook, guys. I smell food. Like I don't have food place down at the river here, so I go on with itself. Like them have food place down at the river, go on with itself. Alright, so let me show you guys. I'm almost at the river. See it? I'm almost at the river. See it? I'm almost at the river. Enough cars down there. Enough vehicle down there. Almost at the river. Enough vehicle down there. Enough vehicle down there. Enough vehicle down there. Yeah. Them having stuff down here today. Oh. Enough vehicle down here. But them always have vehicle down here, guys. It's not just today. But if I come down here again, I go closer. This is the closest I've ever been. And it have a whole lot of places. Have a whole lot of... I go around here. So, the road go right around, And if I go around, then I come back around. It go right around. On the bridge, on the water. See it? See it there, guys? See the water, the water, the water. And you see houses all the way over on the other side. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. People are studying all over. It's a beautiful day. Thank you, Shireen. Thank you so much. So the sky being made blue and pretty. Hi! So cute. On the little scooter. One of that I want to go down there. So much walking. Too much walking. Jesus. It's an exercise and more than exercise today. Whew. Mercy. Poor foot can't manage. Wow. Some people are good down there. You're getting things ready?
I have no idea. We're just stretching our legs.
Okay. Yeah, stretching our legs. My poor feet. Let me go around this side. Less ill. Foot climb this side. Too much climbing around that side. Whew. Sunbaths are going down this way. Sunbaths. The children then in their bikini and towel and something out in the sun lying down studying. Yeah. Oh boy. Letting go all your problems and your worries and just enjoy the day. Not having a free ice cream today. It's a different function today. I don't see anything free. The food is gonna be free later. This was cool. See it if I'm gonna go nearer. Maybe on next day if we have a good day tomorrow. But I came out late. Please, Shireen, tell them to like the live for me, please, and share and subscribe, please. Thank you. This is where my co-worker them coming from. I didn't even miss them. Oh, I saw me walk slow. The lady then wrapped me up back over the other. Dude. Them double me up already. And me, I'm slow walking. Whew. Me and my slow walk. I'm gonna see my look beautiful friends today. They must eat and gone back in them belly full. Look at the lawn, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Why did I run so fast? Because I'm walking. The plants are beautiful. And the grass. The lawn. So guys, remember to like yourself, treat yourself as the best person there is. Remember to greet someone with positivity, greet someone with love and kindness. Remember to reflect on our parents, our grandparents and parents, how they used to treat others and treat people. Some of them went with tell you to say good morning, good afternoon. Yeah, remember to say that when you pass someone, greet someone nicely. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and treat yourself. If anything you don't do, anything else you don't do, when you get your pay or wherever you get the money, treat yourself. Treat yourself nicely. Jesus, so what that? Oh, that's something there. That's saying big. Can't believe saying big so. And a squirrel that. And a squirrel that big so. Yeah. Life too short to be bickering and saying stuff that unkind things to people. If you don't have anything good to say, don't say anything at all. Okay? So thank you so much for coming with me today. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for being there. Sometimes when I see your comments, it pushes me to go. Sometimes I feel like I don't want to make any videos. But some of you guys' comments makes me want to continue. I love doing it, guys. But sometimes, you know. So thank you so much. You too, honey. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be good, be strong. Take some time to rest, drink enough water, and sleep good. Okay, sleeping rejuvenate and revitalize your body. So throughout the day when you get tired, when you sleep, go to your bed early, sleep and get some rest, rejuvenate and come back fresh the next day. Okay? Because we are all going to be working and we are all going to be tired at the end of the day, but God created night so that we can sleep and rest and come back fresh again the next day to continue his work. Alright? Remember to pray. Pray before you eat. Pray before you go to your bed. And always keep a prayerful heart. If you have a challenging situation, just always offer a word of prayer. Say, Lord, help me to deal with this situation. Lord, help me to deal with this matter. You know? He's always answering our prayers. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. And I am out of here. Peace. Thank you. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.